Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, picture this, you're coding away in C, minding your own business, and suddenly you encounter a problem. The issue at hand is that you have a void function in C that mistakenly returns a value. Clang gives you a hard time about it, righteously pointing out the error, while on the other hand, MSVC goes like warning, but no biggie. Quite a conundrum, huh? Now, on to the solution. The key here is to adjust Clang's behavior to be more forgiving, just like MSVC. All you have to do is add a simple flag to your command line. No error equals return type. This nifty little addition will make Clang turn a blind eye to this specific warning, allowing your code to compile without any fuss. Problem solved with a single command. In summary, tackling the problem of void functions returning a value in C is a breeze. Simply add the no error equals return type flag to your command line when using Clang, and voila, you're good to go. Don't let those pesky warnings slow you down, keep coding with confidence. And with that folks, it's time to wrap up. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite coding mishap. Happy coding, and until next time.